Lab 7.6, Predictive Analytics, Predicting Sales Revenue from Advertising Expense. Predictive Analytics attempts to answer the questions, will it happen in the future? And what is the probability something will happen? And can we forecast what will happen? The goal is to predict future performance using historical data. So unlike descriptive and diagnostic analytics, which describes things we know are true, predictive analytics describes things that possibly might happen. One predictive technique is regression, which predicts a specific outcome based on the relationship between inputs and outputs. Using the data, regression calculates an equation that has a generic form of y equals an intercept plus mx, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, and m is the slope of the line. Companies can use regression to see if revenues are related to advertising expense. Companies spend money on advertising because the more potential customers know about or are reminded of a product and its qualities, the more product they supposedly will buy. However, the impact of advertising isn't always clear. LeTable Incorporated creates custom Lego tables. The tables hold base plates for big Lego builds and can be customized to the customer's preference. Over the last several years, the founder and owner, Rob, has started spending money on advertising to increase sales via the company's website, which is LeTable's only marketing channel. Rob would like to know if the company's increased advertising expense is increasing sales revenue. One way to determine the relationship is to run a regression using advertising expense as the input variable and sales revenue as the dependent variable. Using the regression, determine the relationship between advertising expense and sales revenue. Then we'll predict future sales revenue for a given level of advertising expense.